So here's something that's really not that surprising, but also very interesting. The OnePlus Open is only going to be coming out in two different colors. Now, this is not surprising. If you go back to the Surface Duo 1 and 2, the Duo 1 only came out in one color, the Duo 2 came out in two different colors. But even then, again, it was just black or as obsidian or a glacier. It wasn't anything else. And of course, the Galaxy Z Fold lineup has plenty of colors, whether you go for the Z Fold or Z Flip. And same thing with, I think the Google Pixel Fold has three different colors, I believe. But nonetheless, usually phone companies will give you multiple different options. But when it's their first gen of that product, it's not always the case. It's very possible that they just go, hey, you know what? We have this phone releasing. We're just going to release it in these two versions. Especially because the OnePlus Open is just a rebranded Oppo Find N3. So it's like they're just taking the Find N3 and then just rebranding it and releasing again. So they might not be able to get every single color that the Find N3 does go ahead and release. Now, the two colors we're going to be getting is the Voyage Black, which is like a pitch black type of black. And for example, this, I think right here, this is I think this is, I forget what this is called, what color this is. It is black. I'm not sure exactly what color, but it's darker than this. So it's darker than this phone you see right here, which, to be honest, is going to be really interesting to see. Now, the next one is Emerald Eclipse, which is a kind of rich version of a green color, which, if you ever seen what emerald looks like, it's kind of like that, but it's more like darker version. It's what a lot of people like to get on the cars, like where it's like that kind of like, it looks dark, but it's also like you can tell it's green, that kind of stuff. So very two interesting colors, because I don't think we've ever seen these two colors on any other phone out there, especially not the foldable phone market. Maybe on cell phones in general, iPhones, etc., but not for, you know, the foldable phone market. So this is going to be really interesting to see. Other rumors were about the OnePlus Open and the Find N3 here. Well, Find N3 rumors that could be the OnePlus Open was that there potentially was 16 gigabytes of RAM for the Find N3 and up to potentially 24 gigabytes of RAM, depending on, you know, considerations, they said. Which, again, like I said, take that with a grain of salt. I just want to put that in there because if we ever see a phone with 24 gigabytes of RAM, I don't even know what's going to happen anymore. I know, like, the Z Fold series has 12. That's a lot. That's very powerful. Gets your job done. I can't imagine, you know, 24 at this point. We already see 16 with these other phones like Oppo usually does with 16 gigabytes of RAM. I can't imagine 24 gigabytes of RAM. But nonetheless, guys, that's all I want to talk about today. Just two different colors, interestingly enough. I'll see you guys next one. Peace out.